Alright, fellas and fellacitas. Let's dig out my beautiful center console.
What a great day to be alive!
Alright. Oofta, meh. Unbelievable. Ooh, preparing. Okay. Out of my perspective, we have two hooks, and we have. Oh, we need a safety nut on this side. We have to address, and I'm not really sure what this all about. So probably something like Lego. I have really no clue. So this one might be going on top of that, and here's also prepared for screws going in. If I have to tell you something, I would say this one has to be there, and maybe this one has to be there, and then the lid is sitting something like that. Something like that, I would say. So if we can get a closer look, we need at least something like this. This is how it looks, how it must look at the end. So I will get a screwdriver, getting out this one to put it on the lid, and then maybe we need also some glue. I have no idea. And to make it working the right way. Alright. Getting out this screw. And getting out this screw. And now we can see what it's all about. Like brand new. It's a house of some pieces, right? So does this piece looks original? Can you see the holes? Alright, like I said, I give it a proper wipe. That's all I can do for now. Even inside. Must be the blower motor for the rear heater, the rear AC, something like that. So if you know, just bleep bloop it down and let me know what is inside of the center console. It's a big housing. It says Toyota. That's neat. Looks pretty original. How's the fuse? Ah, the fuse is burnt. Can you see that? Is it burnt? No, it's not. Fuse is not burnt. 15 amps. So I need an idea. Something like that. And what is this? What is this supposed to do? Was it like this? So this is also a sharp corner, I guess. The other one was ripped off right from there. So let me show you my guess. I lost the parts, as always. So I would say that this one was working with you, fellow. Something like that. Can you see that? It really looks like. And then we got this one, maybe right at the lid. I have no idea. Let's think easy, but consistently. Yeah. I will prepare my trunk area as a working bench. That's always neat. Just working it around the corner. All what I'm doing here. Get in there. Make it happen now. 15,000. Yes. All right. A proper toolbox. Rigid. It says rigid. It's just written on the top. Rigid. Proper toolbox. So, what I'm thinking is, all right, I'm working not on the top of the bench, I'm working the shelf lower. It's a low, right? But look, it's enough. Look at here. It's enough space. All right. So, I thought I can work something out with this one. It's not a numb idea. It's made out of plastic. And if I screw the bolts through the lid, you know, it could hold a while. Let's to be honest. I can make it even more proper if I put that on it, right? Makes everything a little bit more thicker, all right? And not really sure what I can do with this one. Just center the piece of shit on the deck lid. I like the rhythm. Center the piece of shit on the lid. At the lid. You know what I mean, right? Working or not? Okay. I have to center it. So, put one screw in there. Put the other one in there. To have a proper hole at the other side. All right. So I will go from here to the other side and in between this little doodabby, right there. Woo! So what do you think? Is it an option? Because of the darkness, it's pretty late. Actually a beautiful evening, but inside of the car is not a good light to have proper footage. How it will turn out, I will just do part 2 of the center console. All right, beautiful. So my outcome for today: the deck lid has its first operation. Looks pretty good actually. This is bending around, and then the deck lid can open again. What do you think? I think it's workable, even when I put some shiny black paint on the head of the screws, so that they are not like eye-catcher, right? All right, so thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, like, share.